स्वप्न पळयात आणि ती सत्यात हाडपा खातीर मेहनत घेयात। मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तेंडुलकरान काणकोणच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक आवाहन केले। 4 रस्तो काणकोणच्या सेंट्रो प्रमोदर द इत्सुरसांव संस्थेच्या श्री मल्लिकार्जुन विद्यालयाच्या सभाघराचे उक्तावण सचिन तेंडुलकरांच्या हस्तुकी जाले।
क्रिकेट ही म्हजी आवड आशिल्ली। क्रिकेटी खातीर आपणे सगळे पणाक लायले। ताका लागून आयचे तरणाटे पिळगेन आपले ध्येय निश्चित करून ते दिकेन पावलां मारची अशें आवाहन मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तेंडुलकर हांणी काणकोणच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक केले। जिणेत शॉर्टकट अशें कांयच ना। खर मेहनत घेतले बगर तुमच्या पदरात कितेंच पडचें ना अशें सचिन तेंडुलकराचें म्हणणें। खंयचेय क्षेत्र निवडात आणि तातूंत तज्ञ जायात अशें तेंडुलकर सांगता। आयकात ताचें म्हणणें।
There are no shortcuts in life. कुठेतरी आयडियल केलं आजच्या जनरेशनला everything they want right now. They advise on nothing here. You can either have it right or you can have it now. So you need to be patient in life because there is no such thing as right now. You have to get it right, and for that you need to spend X number of hours working every day. My father gave me a clear message that I was blessed with people. Every kid, every child here is blessed in some way. You need to worship that with both your hands and treasure it. The moment you start taking things for granted, that is the beginning of a downfall. So at whatever level you reach, continue to be a student of that profession. I call it passion. It was my passion. Never a profession. It was my life and it continues to be my life. So whatever you want to be in life, give it 100%. Because then there is no time to enjoy life with your friends, with your family members, everyone. But given that point, you should be totally focused and confident what you want to achieve in life.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर काणकोणच्यान सोयरू कोमरपंत।